there everybody, my name is LIKE.SHARE.SUBSCRIBE. I'm recording this video from Nigeria, and why I was recording this video and I will explain everything to you. As you are looking at me, I am a forex trader. Yes, I trade the foreign exchange market, just like people like you do. So now you understand. And some time ago, I recorded a video asking for help from your trader platform BD. Yes, from a trader network BD. Asking for help from FX Mubarak to help me because I want to trade the foreign exchange market, but I don't have money. So I asked for help. And since I've recorded this video, they have already give me access to all the video that will help me to understand my trading way better. Now I am a successful trader. I have successfully linked trade from FX Mubarak, and I'm also happy now because since I have linked the trade, I'm winning my trades and everything is going well for me in the forex market. I don't have any problem or anything, so I'm very grateful. And I thank your YouTube channel, and I take the calls from FX Mubarak, and I thank your YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and I pray that may God be with you and may God bless you as you are helping me. Thank you so much.